My name is Leah Martin. I am a fourth-year student at Ohio State University with a zoology major. Just seemed like something interesting, not a regular class experience, so I looked into it online. This was one way to take a summer class spent somewhere different. It was also an opportunity for me to see what I wanted to do with my major. I didn't expect to go on field trips every week or spend most of class time outdoors. Wasn't expecting to be so up close with nature. I've enjoyed everything, really. It's awesome being up here. If I hadn't come to Stone Lab, I wouldn't get these experiences. Definitely keep your interest in it. It was like one thing, I looked at it one day, didn't go back to it for a couple of weeks, but still, if you keep going back to it, thinking about it, I said go for it. I've had a lot of fun here. It's an experience like any other, really. There's no way to describe it. The friendships, the opportunities, the things you get to do up here on Lake Erie, it's awesome.